Because especially in a major drug bust, it serves no purpose for an investigator who has perhaps no scientific background to obtain samples, because we do not even know if it will be randomly obtained. So it makes no sense.
Thank you, General. So we were at paragraph 45, and you were dealing with Warrant Officer Perumal acknowledged that the exhibits were entered into the SAP 13, and you were at thereafter. It's the fourth line.
Yes. Thereafter, the exhibits were immediately signed out. So it means that Warrant Officer Perumal did not keep the exhibits in his safe custody. It was booked out immediately.
What does that mean, immediately?
Well, they basically, Commissioner, they basically booked in the exhibits and then booked it out immediately. So there's other columns in that register.
Simultaneously?
Simultaneously.
Yes. No, because if you know anything about this commission, you will know that immediately can mean the following month.
No, immediately,
on the same day.
On the same day, at the same time and place, Commissioner.
Thank you, General.